boys were with Salami all day yesterday. How are you feeling?
Tip-top, Pappy. Needles up.
Good. The last thing we want is all of Celestville coming down with the sneezels.
How are your mom and pa? They woke up all polka dotty. So did my Nana. Cornelius, you feeling all right?
Yeah, Prince Badou, I'm fine. It's just a tickle in my trunk.
Cornelius, you have the sneezels. You should be in bed. Come on, we'll help you. Sneezled.
You must take action. Impose a ban on this foul and filthy sneezing. Make it a royal decree. Better yet, make it a law. Is this a polka dot? Ambassador, that is a pimple. How can you be sure